everybody, welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing of a RAV drum for you today. This is my second RAV drum and it arrived earlier today, and right now it's late and I should be sleeping, but I wanted to do this unboxing for you. I enjoy unboxings of instruments a lot, and so I wanted to share this because I'm sure that there are other people that enjoy them too. So the story on this RAV drum is, this is a C minor blues scale. It's a somewhat unusual scale, but it's a scale that people like me, who is a guitarist, could relate to, because it's a blues scale that's pretty familiar to most guitarists. And I did buy this so that I could play the drum with a guitar or other strings instruments. I have another RAV, which is the A integral scale, which I bought in October of 2024, and I liked it so much that I went back and bought a second drum. So RAV now, which is based in Serbia, sends their drums from an American distributor to people in the United States, and they come in a big white box like this, and they're quite well packed. And I did the initial opening so that you weren't watching me rip open a box. The drums are heavy. This box is about 18 pounds with the drum in it. It came by UPS today. Usually RAV sends these with signature required, but I have trouble sometimes getting out of work to be home when the drum arrives, because UPS sometimes delivers at unexpected times. And so this time I called RAV customer service. Well, actually I emailed them, and I asked them if they would send it without signature for release. And they did that for me. Customer service with RAV, I have found them to be very, very responsive. And so I was home today when this drum arrived, and I could have signed for it, but they did leave it without the signature required, and I was able to go to the door and get it right away. So without further ado, let me unbox. The drums come with a lot of good packing. There's styrofoam, and very carefully fitted, as you can see. And then the drum itself is here. And it does come encased in a plastic bag, which I cut open already for purposes of the unboxing. And I think for unboxing instruments, a basic bandage scissor is really good. These are designed with an end that doesn't cut deep into the things you don't want to cut into, and they work well for removing dressings and bandages, but they work great for unboxing delicate instruments as well. This one has never been used for dressing changes, only for opening things like instruments. A basic one can be had on Amazon or a medical supply store. You can get them, and they're not terribly expensive. So that's what I recommend for unboxing instruments. So let's take this out of the plastic. And here is the drum, and it's very resonant. I could hear it being resonant even as I was moving the box around. So this is a tongue drum, and I believe that these are laser cut. And this is a C blues scale, C minor blues scale. So it does have blues note in it, and it's a slightly different scale than a lot of players of tongue drums would be familiar with. I'm going to have to get a little acquainted with it, but out of the box I know it does sound bluesy, and let me see if I can show you that. That's a bluesy note there. hear that kind of bluesy tone. So I'll take a little bit of time to get acquainted with this. And I think I'll have some fun doing that. And I'll try playing it with my stringed instruments. I do love the tone. Very bluesy. So the other thing I wanted to share with you, when I bought my first drum, I bought the carry bag from RAV, but they were sold out this time, probably because they were having a sale. So I found a nice bag on Amazon for less money, and I think it will get the job done quite nicely. It will fit the drum. It has a carry handle and backpack straps, and it is nicely padded. And so I will use this to carry this drum and store it. And it fits quite nicely, and I'm pretty happy with it. And like I said, it seems to get the job done, but it was less expensive than the bag on the RAV site, and I can't really see a tremendous difference. When I searched on Amazon, I did search tongue drum bag for RAV drums, and it seems like these can also be used for cymbal bags. But there we go. So it's quite nice, and I'm happy with it. And just by point of interest, I'll show you too. On the bottom of the RAV you can see it says RAV and it says C blues scale here. These newer generation drums also have a nice brass rim, and with the drum comes some case candy, and that would be, there's usually a welcome packet, which I can't find at the moment, but it comes with a rim cleaner for cleaning the rim around the drum. So that's cool. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and take care, and thanks for watching my video. If you've liked it, please give it a like, and if you like what I do on my channel, please subscribe. Take care, and happy holidays.